I'm going to change this to part 2 because this always seems to confuse some kids. Look, I'm going to copy this link, and the reason I'm not clicking it is because I'm logged into my Dropbox and I see something different than you. So if I open up a private window and paste that link in and hit return, this is what you're going to see at the other end of that link. Don't sign up for Dropbox. Don't sign in, and don't save to your Dropbox. Do the direct download because you want this in your documents folder. This, of course, the direct download puts this into your downloads folder. Go into the Finder, unzip the file, and drag it into your, here, let me close that. Drag it into your documents folder. There we go. The folder, not the zip file. Okay? And then what you see in this next video, which will be called part 2, will make sense when I show you where the file is and tell you what to do with it. Now, the instructions on how to use PolyMesh are in the third video. But don't skip this video because there's information there I'm not going to go back over again. Got it? Okay, a lot of fun, pretty complicated, so you need to pay attention and then understand that this is an open-ended, infinitely variable project. And the idea isn't just to make these pretty little designs, it's what can you do with them? Could they be a background on a poster, a design on a t-shirt? I don't know. Something else, some other way to apply this other than, ooh, look. Got it?